Hello guys, today we can see about Calbiotech product AMH ELISA Kit. This is a AMH ELISA Kit anti-Mullerian hormone. Here we can see the reference number AM448T and lot number, then manufacturing date, then expiry date. Then this test we can use up to 96 tests. This test kit we can store between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. And this is other details. This is a C certificate IVD product. This picture represents source. This kit contains a manual. This is IVD product. This is a side. This is the front side. This is a top view. This is another view. These are the total representation of this picture. Now I am going to unpack this kit for your reference. In this kit contains one instruction manual, Calbiotech AMH ELISA anti-Mullerian hormone. Here we can see the intent use. The Calbiotech AMH ELISA Kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of AMH in human serum or plasma. Then we can see the another topics: principle of test, materials not provided, storage and stability, warnings and precautions. These are the instructions we can see in this instruction manual. We can keep this aside, this instruction manual. The next we can see the certificate of analysis. In the certificate of analysis, we can see the brand name Calbiotech, then kit name AMH ELISA, lot numbers, then catalog number AM448T, expiry date also. These are the details. This certificate of analysis are contained. Here we can see the component name, part number, lot number, then expiry date. We can keep this aside, this certificate analysis. The next one is Calbiotech streptavidin coated wells, 96 wells plate kits. Here we can see the reference number, then expiry number. This kit maintains 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We keep aside this kit. Then next we can see wash concentrate 20x. This is details of this wash concentrate. This wash concentrate reference number is CC601WC, then lot number, then expiry date. This wash container is 25 ml pack. We keep this aside. The next one, TMB substrate. For TMB substrate reference number is CC956TM, then lot number, expiry date. This TMB substrate is 12 ml. We can store this 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We keep this aside. The next one is AMH biotin reagent. This is details of this AMH biotin reagent. Reference number AM769BR, lot number and expiry date. This is a 7 ml container. Next we can see stop solution. This is details of stop solution. Reference number CC604SS, then lot number, then expiry date. This is a 12 ml container. Next we can see AMH enzyme reagent. This is details of reference number AM817CR, then lot number, then expiry date. This is a 7 ml container. Next one we see AMH standard dilute. This is reference number of standard dilute AM646AD, then lot number, experiment number. This is a 5 ml container. The next one we can see AMH standard 6. This is reference number of AM863SS, lot number and expiry number. You can see the details of this. This is 0.5 ml container. We can keep this aside. The next one is AMH control 2. This is 0.5 ml container. This is AMH control 2. This is the reference number of this control, AM306CT2. Then lot number, expiry number. This is 0.5 ml container. We can keep this aside. The next one is AMH control 1. This is a reference number of this control 1, AM306CT1. Then reference lot number, then expiry date. This is 0.5 ml container. Here we summarize. This is a Calbiotech product, AMH anti-malarian hormone ELISA kit. This kit contains one instruction manual, one certificate of analysis, one Calbiotech streptavidin controlled coated wells, 96 wells, one XAMH enzyme reagent, one XAMH biotin reagent, one TMB substrate, one wash concentration 20x, one AMH control 1, one AMH control 2, one AMH standard diluent, one AMH standard 6, one stop solution. Thank you.